In this lesson, we will learn to add by using the regrouping algorithm. In regrouping, we will be making groups of 10. The idea is that we will be carrying over to the next place value in addition, or borrowing from a place value as in subtraction. We will look at how to regroup when it comes to addition. First, we start off by adding all of the digits in the ones column. If the digits add up to 10 or more, then we will need to regroup the digits in the tens place and add them to the tens column. And we just repeat this process for each place value. So let's see first what this looks like. So we have 29 plus 34. I'm going to write this in expanded form just so we can see what's going on here. So first I'm going to add up the ones. We see that the ones here add up to 13, and 20 plus 30 is 50. And I'm just going to write it down here just for a second. So regrouping, we take 9 plus 4 and we add them up and it equals 13. So instead of adding these horizontally, I'm going to regroup this 13 and place it over the 15. Place it over the 50. Now this 9 plus 4 is turned into 13. So now I can add these ones together. So 3 plus 0 is 3. Then I add 1 plus 5, or 10 plus 50, and that gives me 60. Now, the regrouping algorithm saves us a lot of time, so we don't have to do all these extra steps. So we're going to look how to do it without all those extra steps. So first we have 9 plus 4. Well, we found out that that's 13. So we're going to write it like this: 3 in the ones, and we carry that 10 over to the tens place. Now we have 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60. So 29 plus 34 is 63. Now we'll try this again, this time without using expanded form. So we have 7 plus 5. Well, 7 plus 5 is 12. So we're going to put the ones here, we have 2 ones, and carry over that extra 10 into the tens column. And now we have 10 plus 90 plus 40. We have 10 plus 90 and 40. Well, that's going to equal 140. So we're going to put a 4 in the tens place, carry the 100, and since there's nothing else, we have 142. The regrouping algorithm lets us add quickly without having to do all of this side work. So in this next example, we have 6 plus 3. Well, that's just 9. We have 6 plus 9 here. That's 15. So I'm going to put a 5 here, carry that extra 1. Now we have 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Now, when we do the regrouping algorithm, it's easy to forget what we're actually doing. So when we're doing the addition here, this is the tens column. So this is actually 60 plus 90 to give us 150, but the regrouping algorithm lets us add without having to think about place values. So this next example, we have 568 plus 859. We're going to start by adding the ones column. So we have 8 plus 9, that's 17. So we put the 7 there and we carry over the 10. We have 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 5 is 12. So we put the 2 there, carry that 1 over. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 8 is 14. So we have 2 more examples, and we can see that these examples, the numbers are becoming larger, but the steps are still the same. We have this first number, 9,872 plus 4,629, and we want to find the sum. So we're going to add these together, starting with the ones column. We have 2 plus 9, that's 11. The ones go here, and we carry that extra 10. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we put the 0 here and carry that 1. We have 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 6 is 15. We carry over that extra 1. We have 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So the sum of these two numbers is 14,501. In our last example in this lesson, we have 55,719 plus 12,099 plus 83,278. We want to find the sum of all of these numbers. So we start with the ones column. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 8 is 26. So we put the 6 there and we carry over the 2. We can see we have 26. So this is where I'm going to use the commutative property of addition to help me add these types of numbers. So I like to make 10. So I see quickly that 1 plus 9 is 10. So I'm going to add those two first. I have 10 plus 2 is 12 plus 7 is 19. We have 1 plus 7 plus 2, which is 8, and 2 is 10. So we're going to carry over that 1. We can see here we have 10, 1, 0. So we're going to add the thousands column. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. And we have 1 plus 5 is 6, 7, 15. So the sum of these three numbers is 151,096.